So to start off, I'm going to be drawing baby Yoshi's nose, eyes, and mouth. Since most of Baby Yoshi's design has rounded edges and circular shapes, I won't need to draw so much details per se, so it'll just mostly be a bunch of circles for the body and the shapes. And here is my completed drawing of Baby Yoshi. Let's jump to the next drawing. To start off with this drawing, I'm going to draw the muzzle of the Indian wolf first and work my way from there. A characteristic of the Indian wolf is that their shape and body is very lank and thin. So for the legs, I'm going to be drawing them very thin, whereas unlike most wolves, they have like thicker fur, so it appears as if they have more mass to them.
पिया को
Since all wolves have fur, I'm going to be drawing in some little dashes to represent the fur, with some darker shades in parts of the wolf to give it more texture. And here's my completed drawing of an Indian wolf. And that about does it for today's video. Thank you as always for watching my videos. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. And as always, I will see you next time.